Hi everyone, my name is Harshad and welcome to my channel Being the One. So in this video tutorial, I will tell you how to download and install Intellij IDEA IDE. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to open the browser. You have to open the URL jetbrains.com. Click on Tools, click on Intellij IDEA, click on Download. So here there are two options. First one is Ultimate Edition and second one is the Community Edition. So since I will use the Windows setup, so it's already by default selected. If you are having a Mac or Linux, you can respectively go to that link. So for the Windows, I will show you. See, this Ultimate Edition is not a free edition. You have to pay for it after trial is over. And this is meant for web and enterprise development. But in our tutorial, it's not meant for us. So this would be fine. The Community Edition is enough for us. So it's free and open source. Click on download. Since I've already downloaded, I am not going to save. It's already downloaded. Click on this setup. Close this browser. Click on next. See, I need to install it in E drive. So you can also give the location wherever you want to install the installation files you want to keep. So click on next. My system is of 64-bit, so I will use 64-bit launcher. Here there is a create association if you want that particular type of file to be opened by this particular software. That, like, suppose there is a file with .java extension, it will by default link this software for opening that particular file. So I'm not going to do any of these things. Just click next, click on install. It will take little time. Just wait. So in the last page you can see, uh, if you want to run the IDE right now, you can click on here and click finish. I don't want to run right now. Just click on finish, and as you can see, this IDE is installed. So thanks for a lot for watching, and we'll see you in next video.